Hi guys, so I thought I'd show you something might be helpful if you lose your keys for your bike, for your Harley. Now I've got a Harley 2019. I store my keyless in this, so even when it's around, I've done a video on this before, but like I said, it's in the pouch down here. If I operate this, nothing will happen. Yeah, so you can't switch the bike on and off. So just for purposes so I can show you, I'm not going to show you my code, but what will happen is that you will switch it on and then you'll get this come up. You see on there, it will tell you where to enter a pin. Now you have to use your left indicator. Yeah, you have to do it pretty quick, it will go away after a while. So it's come back up, you enter your pin, and then you click that, you press your indicator, and it will come up with those three lines with a little number at the size. Like I said, I've changed mine, so you use your indicator this side to get the number. So you got to whatever, say whatever it is, click it and it will show you the number in this dial. Then you use your right indicator to move it along one. Use your left indicator to select the number back to whatever it was. Use your right indicator to accept it and move it along till you get to 5 numbers that you've put in yourself. I do advise you to change them. I'll show you, but I'm not going to show you the numbers that I put in because that's the code I've chose for my bike. So I'm just gonna point you at the indicator for a minute while I do it, and I'll show you that it works. Right, I've done all the numbers. I'm going to show you, but you click the right indicator and it comes on. So if you ever lose your keys or the battery goes in your keyless fob, that's how you get your bike started, and then you can just away you go. Yeah, starts are up. Just a little short one there. Thanks for watching.